feel amazing. I missed the first three, and I really wanted to play this one because I haven't played in a while. And I am really pleased with how I played this last match with Daniel.
I always describe Marine as a wall, right? Every ball you hit back, it's going to come back at you. It was a difficult match. I played her on Thursday, and that was a lot closer match. But today she was a better player, and she got back all the balls. I don't think I just couldn't seem to finish out some of my strokes. But that's how tennis is.
I started out a little bit slow. I was very nervous, being the defending champion, expectations are very high. But I noticed in the early part of the match that he was cramping up he wasn't moving as well, and I kind of exploited that.
The thing is, I played a 3-hour match in the morning, so it really took away some of my energy. Nevertheless, very worthy opponent. I gave it my all. I guess next time we'll see how it goes, but I'm grateful to be here. It's my first final in the King Alarm series, so I'm happy.
The match was a very good one, and while it lasted, I feel good about it because I was able to execute my game plan. I started serving reasonably well. I kept the errors to a minimum, and I was able to move him around the court. So I think the first set up to the 5-2 before my opponent retired.
On why you decided to retire?
Well, first of all, right? Two semis weren't played on the same day, right? They're supposed to be, but they weren't. One played last night, and one played this morning. So now I won my semis, so now I have two matches, right? So my first match today was at 10 o'clock. I came off the court at 1 o'clock, right? Next thing is, jazz is fresh. This is just not the way tennis is done. Like, how am I playing 2 matches in one day, a semis and a finals, and my opponent is only playing 1?